How can over-withholding taxes help students save money? Have you ever thought about how over-withholding taxes could actually help you save money as a student? It might sound counterintuitive, but let's break it down. Over-withholding taxes means that more money is taken out of your paycheck for taxes than you actually owe. For students managing tight budgets, this can serve as a way to save money without even trying. When you have too much tax withheld during the year, the extra amount is returned to you as a tax refund after you file your tax return. This refund can be a significant lump sum that you can use for various expenses, such as tuition, books, or even building an emergency fund. To understand this better, let's look at tax withholding. Tax withholding is the process where your employer deducts estimated income taxes from your paycheck and sends that money to the government on your behalf. The amount withheld is based on the information you provide on your W-4 form, including your filing status and number of dependents. If you claim fewer allowances, more tax will be withheld from your paycheck. From a budgeting perspective, over-withholding can be beneficial for students. First, it creates a savings buffer. Many students experience irregular income or have limited budgets. By over-withholding, you ensure that some money is set aside automatically, which you can receive later as a refund. Second, tax refunds can be used strategically. When you receive your refund, you can allocate it to cover tuition, books, or other qualified education expenses. This can help reduce the need to borrow money or dip into your savings. Additionally, over-withholding reduces the risk of owing taxes at the end of the year. If you under-withhold, you might face a tax bill when it's time to file, which can be stressful for students managing limited funds. However, it is important to note that over-withholding means you will have less take-home pay each month. This can make your monthly budgeting tighter. Remember, the refund you receive is essentially your own money returned to you later, not extra income. To optimize your tax withholding, carefully adjust your W-4 allowances. This way, you can balance having enough withheld to avoid a large tax bill while not withholding so much that it strains your monthly budget. Also, consider filing your tax returns even if your income is low or you are not required to do so. You might qualify for tax credits or refunds related to education, such as the American Opportunity Tax Credit or the Earned Income Tax Credit. These credits can increase the refund you receive from over-withholding. In summary, over-withholding taxes can help students save money by forcing a portion of their income into a government-held account that is returned as a refund. This refund can then be used to fund education costs or reduce debt, supporting better budgeting and financial planning during college. Just remember to balance your withholding to avoid unnecessary reductions in your monthly cash flow.